Hi guys, good morning. It is the 20th of June, 12:35 p.m. here in the UK. Now let's take a look at US30, shall we? So the analysis remains the same as of yesterday. Price did move downwards yesterday a little bit. Um, but because yesterday was bank holiday, like I said, we did get moves. So those of you who did trade, you could have caught the downward move on a lower time frame in line with the moving averages and so on. But no, I did not trade because I am waiting for the setup for the retracement to happen after the change of character that took place in the weekly. You guys remember that? So there was a break of structure, or rather, the change of character that happened on the weekly time frame, which tells me on the overall, as of now, we seem to be really bullish on US30. However, I am expecting it to touch a zone towards the down, so for sales to happen, and then we go up and catch the buys later. So as of now, I am looking for shorts. However, before the shorts actually happen, that I am waiting for this change of character on the 1 hour, right? So you see a change of character here on a 1 hour, and I am waiting for to see if there's a retracement towards the upside that happens before it drops. So I am still waiting for the drop to happen, and I'm just waiting to see what price action really does. So if you go to the 15 minutes, you can actually see a break of structure here happened. Can you guys see it? So a break of structure that happened. Let me off this. Actually, we don't need this. Okay, so a break of structure that happened here, and price failed to make a further break of structure, right? So it's a long wick at the discount level on the 15-minute time frame, and it did not make a break of structure, and a change of character happened right here, which means it's telling me that price is bullish at the moment on a 15-minute time frame, which actually goes to show as well with the extra confluence there was no further break of structure. So I do believe I can see price going to the upside. So I will be keeping an eye on this level here, and as well as all the different alerts that I have set as per yesterday's analysis as to where I do think price possibly could do a retracement, and at that level I will be taking for a full sell downwards, right? So yeah, like if you guys can see, hold on, I'm waiting for the, there we go. So there was a change of character that happened here on the 30 minutes, and I do expect, so this was a 30 minutes retest zone just because of the zone that's up here. However, we have got the 1 hour retest zone as well, which I had marked up previously, and which was somewhere around here, I think. And then this one, let me see. I'm pretty sure I had the zone marked up. Oh yeah, because there was a leg out here. So these are all zones for me that I feel like price could possibly come back and retest, not necessarily up to this zone. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to wait and see what price really does. But as of now, we are looking for price to go upwards towards the retest areas. Okay, retracement. So for those of you who are looking to trade today, a possible buys in place, just wait for the break of structure to happen to the upside first on a 15-minute time frame before you do engage on any buys, and then drop it down to the lower time frames where you actually see the moving averages lining up the way they should. And better still, you wait for a pin buy entry and you can ride it all the way up. Yes, so that's really my analysis, guys, for US30 for the week, really. I possibly may not be trading anything today unless I see a very nice buy setup happen, and I might possibly catch it. But right now, I just think that nothing really interesting that's happening. Like, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, you can see even on a 1 minute time frame, price is really like just teetering at the equilibrium here. It touched a premium, it touched a discount, and it's just teetering towards the upside here. So I do believe we are, like, we saw a break of structure here, but then a change of character happened to the downside here as well. So I'm just gonna leave it be as of now, let price go do its thing, and then possibly later after New York session opens, the bell rings at 2:30, and then I might look to see if there's anything interesting that's happening on the buy side. Um, Otherwise, I'll just wait for my sell setup to happen and catch the sales down. And after the sales is finished, then obviously we are looking for buys to the upside based on the weekly change of character, as I showed you guys earlier. But it all just depends what price action does at that point, because you may really get bearish and start to drip even further. So we'll see. All right, so happy trading, safe trading, and watch your risk management, and see you guys in another video tomorrow.